Testy Thursday at Parakao, and we're on the final push trying to get the Buick going.
Holy moly!
I put it on like that first, then bring that little thing that falls off.
Those are headed.
Put it on this, and then we'll have the right length.
That was never going to work.
So
Hopefully we can clean these up.
And this one,
What we'll do is we'll lap them together and then we'll crimp them with a couple of 3 crimps and then we'll just braise it and it'll be strong as hell.
yeah.
You it won't matter, we'll just slide them under there. And then
So if we just leave this to full length and then we'll just
like that.
shorten it up to what do we want?
And then that double pit will go through the joint and we'll just put a crimp there and a crimp there.
Yeah.
Hang on. Yeah.
Okay.
So all we have to do is just take this out.
First step, finish up the back brake.
That'll be hot, Lindsay. Yeah, it's got a little dingery on the end, look.
This has got no guard on it at all, so be
No,
careful.
I got it.
I shot my bloody finger on it last week.
Oh, come on.
Fucking bastard bloody finger on it. Hey, you're not part of this fucking conversation, so shut up.
Well, do an adjustment.
We can do an adjustment on that.
Yeah.
Are we going to do that back up again?
Nah, I think we'll leave it loose like it is until such time as we're ready to go.
Okay, so we're going to put the brakes on now.
CRC rubbers. CRC DW40 Rex rubbers.
Not WD-40.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It fucking does. It does. You spray it on your brake rubbers and they'll expand triple in size.
Yeah, the old school job on the hubcaps, spin the centres around. Old hot rodding trick from back in the day. Thought it would look pretty cool on these. Brings the wheel a couple of inches out into the guard better. And you still got the original wheels. Zero, there, 0.
Yep.
And then we're like, oh, it's still not hitting there, eh? Hit it 0. Take that fucker off. Make that 0.
We'll move it in. Just move this whole thing in.
No, we just moved the little thing.
No, you can move the whole bloody thing in.
Fucking moving there.
You can keep moving that, you moron.
Yeah, but you just move the little dial and you don't have to loosen it up, fuck it all up. every
No,
time.
you just need to go into the lowest point and start at the lowest point, then it'll show you when you go into the
Yeah,
highway.
you just keep going like that.
I painted the rims, then I took them to Craig's Bridgestone and he fitted tyres for us. Now we've just got to make the accelerator pedal and fill it up with oils, settle it in, and it should be good to go. Bill's mounting the coil.
Then you won't be out season way.
What whole job?
Come around that way, mate.
Just need some more metal, eh? He's got a heap down here, eh?
Eh?
Yeah, because if we can pull that out, I'll just drill it and pin it. Put a little washer on it and pin it, and then that'll be us.
Yeah.
And then we're going to have to put a heavier spring on the
return.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, looks right. Yeah. Not too better.
It's good size, man.
Yeah, right.
Should be right, eh?
Yeah, you're big.
We're just going to have to put a
returny springy.
returny springy. What goes
A
on
springy.
that?
Springy
Yeah.
thingy.
And watch it.
Yeah, Bruno. Brendan. Is that it?
Tell me, Ray.
Springy thingy.
Come on.
Oh yeah. I
Yep,
see
yep,
what
that's
you
full
mean.
throttle. Yep.
Sitting in the top of the firewall.
Oh, that'll be right. Yeah, the
Spring
fell off.
broke. The big one that you just put on.
Oh, the fucking crap fell off.
Y'all got the back front?
I haven't got the back. It's not going to go over there, eh?
Yep, you go down. And then, yep.
Yeah.
That's it. Right. Have fun.
I'm doing it slowly. First try, and it's too cold.
I need another battery, eh?
Check the petrol and pour on the water.
Second dry, black battery, and with the pit crew.
The water out, so do just top that up.
Well, it was trying. I was going down again. Oh, yeah, what did you do that
Now
for?
that's a box of pistol.
Then maybe 10 on and screw up.
We can do that black wire where we let it go because we're too tight
No,
on
it won't matter.
Isn't it? Oh, so
There's no power.
Alright. Not too bad considering the sea's difficulty.
No, she's stuck.
ready?
On the CC's got stuck.
Ready?
Just gonna get there.
Third try, and no one's pumping the petrol.
What do you want, some Europa?
You need some more gas.
What are you on, champion? Right?
Oh, he's got petrol.
Yeah, she's gonna
That's beautiful.
I didn't look at the speedo. I couldn't see after my grin.
But still a pretty sound car. Half the motor's in the boot. But a side impact.
Oh, what's going on?
I think I forgot to keep pumping the gas.
Oh, f***ing hell.
Oh.
Well, it's been a lot of work. We've still got a lot of work to do. Just tappets and a lot of body work and full interior. But geez, a good car, it's well worth it. We had to make our own head gasket to get it running. But it seems to be working fine so far. Thanks for watching our video on the Buick. Like, share and subscribe, and we'll post more of the exterior work, the interior work, and lots more other videos.